Next we determine deflection at point B, that is YB. Now putting x is equal to 6 meter, since point B is at a distance of 6 meter from A, in deflection equation, and considering the equation up to first partition, that is between point A and B, we have EI into YB is equal to 9.64 into 6 cube by 6 minus 2 into 6 to the power 4 by 24 minus 87.61 into 6 first partition. So upon solving this, we get the value of YB as minus 286.62 upon EI. Upon putting the value of EI, we have your YB as minus 0.0143 meters. So deflection at point B is downward deflection. Next we find slope at point C, that is YC. Now putting x is equal to 9 meters, since point C is at a distance of 9 meter from A, in deflection equation, and considering the equation up to second partition, which is valid between point B and C, we have EI, whose value is equal to 200 into 10 to the power 2 into YC is equal to 9.64 into 9 cube by 6 minus 2 into 9 to the power 4 by 24 minus 87.61 into 9 plus 2 into 9 minus 6 to the power 4 upon 24. Upon solving this, we get the value of YC as minus 0.0078 meters. Now we again see that your deflection at point C is downward, since it is negative. Now before finding out your Ymax, we plot the table of slope and deflection at various salient points, which we have already found out. So next we determine your maximum deflection, Ymax. Now to determine Ymax, we first need to know the location of point where deflection is maximum. Now for this, we know the fact that your deflection is maximum at a point where slope is 0. Now putting the value of slope equal to 0 in this slope equation, we'll get the value of x where your deflection will be maximum. So we make our first assumption that slope is 0 between point A and B. Putting dy by dx equal to 0 in slope equation, and considering the equation up to first partition, that is between point A and B, we have EI into dy by dx, which is 0, is equal to 9.64 into x square by 2 minus 2 into x cube by 6 minus 87.61 first partition. So we get this cubic equation. Now upon solving this on calculator, we get three values of x. Value of x1 comes out to be 13.04 meters. Since this value is greater than 6 meter, we discard it. Second value comes out to be minus 3.79 meter, which we again discard. And third value comes out to be 5.37 meters. Now we see that this value is between x equal to 0 to x is equal to 6 meter, that is between point A and B. Hence our condition is satisfied. So we say that a slope is 0 at a distance x equal to 5.37 meter from origin A. Now to determine the maximum deflection, we put x equal to 5.37 meters in deflection equation, and considering the equation up to first partition, that is between point A and B, since we get the slope is equal to 0 between point A and B. From this deflection equation, we have E into I into Ymax is equal to 9.64 into 5.37 cube upon 6 minus 2 into 5.37 square by 24 minus 87.61 into 5.37, first partition. So upon solving this, we get the value of y max as minus 0.0145 meters, which is downward since it is negative. So we put the value of EI as 200 into 10 to the power 2 so as to get the value of y max as this. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching in 5 minutes.